So, good morning. Starting. Good morning. This is Miss Yahira at the library. Oh, I have my pin somewhere upstairs, but that's okay. Some of you may or may not know me. I'm one of the children's librarian over here at the Derry Public Library, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen table. So, we are going to be making egg shakers because this afternoon at 1, I can bring the kiddos back. And I'm going to be reading a story, doing some finger plays, and we're going to do some shaker songs. If you already happen to have maracas at your house, awesome. You don't have to worry about this. If you happen to have a lot of these lying about, then either from years past or this year, and you want to save our landfills and or you don't have egg shakers or you want more shakers, then you can make some of these. Now I have two different ones. I have this orange one that does not have any holes in it, so I won't need to reinforce it. And then I have this pink one that does have the holes in them, both sides, as you can see, which is actually the norm. I believe most of these plastic eggs have these holes. Then I have my tape. And I am going to be using rice to make the shaking sound. You can also use orzo pasta or any of those small pasta shapes or even beans. Although I think beans would probably work in larger plastic eggs because beans are heavier, but it could be peas. That could work too. So in any case, with the one that doesn't have a hole is as simple as go into your rice. And I have a cup in here so I don't contaminate the rest of the rice with my hands, although I did wash them because, that's hygienic. So here I have my cup of rice. And then I'm just going to take my egg, put some in it. I don't know, a handful. I'll show you how much in a moment. Like about that much. Let me tilt the camera a little bit. There we go. So about that much rice. Okay. And then you just close it up. Oopsies. Now, if you wanted to make more sounds, then I guess you could add more rice if you wanted to. But the last step, and it'll be the same for both of the eggs, is to take some of your tape and go around the egg. I'll probably end up having to do a second tape. And then here's the egg. And basically seal it. My other idea has been to potentially hot glue it. And I do have a hot glue gun. So I might do that. Especially because maybe I can find some not string. That's the word I'm looking for. And then it's much less likely that the kiddos will get it out, especially the smaller ones. The bigger ones might get a little bit curious about the tape and start to try to take it around. So try to seal it as much as you can. I'm not a professional. I'm just making this up as I go. Actually, I saw a video on YouTube. Ask me and I'll link it. Okay, this is taking way much more time than it should. Anywho, here's the one with the little holes in the bottom. So what you do with that one is, before you put the rice in, obviously, you take little pieces of tape and you put them inside to seal the holes. I just did that one. You got the camera? Yeah. Tape. And then second tape. And See the holes right there? Those are the ones I'm trying to cover from the inside. And then the same routine. You just take your rice and you pour it on whichever of the two sides. It doesn't matter which. You know, I have to clean my laptop after the case. That's what happens when you're pouring rice. And then you could potentially just leave it like this if you think, like, you don't think it's going to just come across open. But you can do what I did with the orange egg, which was to put the tape around the outside so that it doesn't open up on you. Since I already showed you on the orange one how to do that, I'm not going to show you again because that would be redundant. Anywho, if you happen to have plastic Easter eggs lying about and you want to use them as egg shakers, now I've shown you how to do that. Bye. Thank you.